Oh wow. This whoa, down line. No, you can't go through. Whoa. This is a down line. Right here. Oh shit.
Oh, we're gonna.
It's gotta be off, right? We got tires.
We got tires, yep.
Oh shit. Oh my god, more wires. Oh shit. Oh my god.
This is bad.
This was not a smooth move. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, this is scary shit.
Got this tree up here.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow.
I don't know. There's some other people going through. They're not going back this way.
Holy cow. This is a war zone.
Yep. I got this whole road blocked off.
Yeah. Wow. Flash your lights.
Slow down, asshole.
Holy crow. Wow, this is scary shit. I can't believe we got slammed. But yet, if you look, all the houses seem
Yeah, don't see
fine.
any damage to the houses, luckily.
It's just, how the heck did that happen?
Got lucky.
Wow, we're not going down that road again.
No. There's no guarantee the other road's gonna be any better though.
Yeah.
Is this still the donut places?
What donut place?
That must be breakfast, the one that's closing.
Oh.
I knew it was a breakfast place, I never knew the name of it.
Wow. I cannot believe how slammed we got. Wow, look at those branches way up there.
Wow. So I don't think we're gonna get anything. There's no traffic lights here.
Yeah, traffic lights are out, which means the Dunkin' Donuts, which is right down the road, is probably out of commission. I think we're gonna have to go to Enfield.
Like that's gonna be any better. That's gonna be worse up there, being up north. How's it look that way?
Looks good.
Any activity?
You're not gonna have
Dunkin'
any.
Donuts.
Oh, Dunkin' Donuts. I'm about to say. I thought you were talking about that. Yeah. There's. Oh well.
No, they're just driving in.
They're driving in. So unless they just got power, which I'm thinking no.
No, they're closed.
Go straight.
Okay, we're gonna go straight here. We can't do this. Okay.
McDonald's looks like they're.
Yeah, no McDonald's coffee.
Yeah, I know. They got horrible coffee. Wow.
I agree, it's gonna go home. I have to deal with it.
No, I want my coffee.
I know, I want my coffee worse than you want your coffee, but nothing's gonna be open around here.
Try the Dunkin' Donuts on 20.
I'm not driving all the way out there.
It's not that far. I bet you dime a dozen they're open. Ooh, is that crooked? That looks crooked. Ooh, interesting.
Yeah, I think that's supposed to be like that as a brace.
Okay.
It's nuts. I'm going home. I'm not dealing with all these people driving.
You want to go home?
Yeah.
It's not that bad.
I'm not worried about the weather. I'm worried about people driving, being stupid. Well, you're going, I'm going.
Everything out for a long time. I'm gonna have to do a video thing on your phone. Holy crap, I cannot believe how slammed we got. It's a war zone here.
I'm not going out to East Granby. I'm going back Route 20 back home.
But we should.
There's going to be a shitload of people there if it's open, and it's going to be just a mess as it is anyway, so.
It'd be well worth it.
No, it's not going to be worth it. It's not going to be worth it.
Fine. But we have nothing hot to eat then.
No, we don't. We have the grill we can use.
All I can
They
say
can
is
boil water in the grill.
we're gonna have to boil water in the grill. We don't have any other choice. Do we have? Oh, we didn't get any Folgers singles, did we?
No.
Damn. What is he doing? He's walking in the middle of the road. How are we getting home? Just staying on the highway?
Probably.
Okay.
Unless we take the back roads if you want.
No, I don't want to take the back roads. That was scary. Power lines down everywhere. I felt like I was in a war zone. If this is the end of the world, this is like pretty scary shit. I mean, that was totally... Get out of this lane.
And once this guy passes, I can go.
Thank you.
You can go try Stop and Shop, see if they're open, get some instant coffee or some time.
Sure. They have generators, right?
You would think so? Wait a minute.
Oh, the lovely tobacco fields that are empty. Whoa, okay.
Your turn.
Okay.